Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio, go straight to the audio library. Once there, make sure your channel is verified and eligible. This matters for content ID and reuse. Next, choose whether you need a music track or a sound effect because they have different formats and licensing. Once done, immediately filter by genre, mood, duration, and attribution requirement so you only see usable options for your project. Now you refine choices. Apply filters for genre, mood, duration, and whether attribution is required. Preview each selection with your video in mind, listen at the start, middle, and end to catch clashes. Once confident, choose WAV for highest fidelity or MP3 for smaller size, and download. Make sure to rename files with a clear tag so you can find them. Also, keep a small folder for attribution text if the license asks for. Import the downloaded audio into your video editor and place it on an audio track beneath dialogue. Trim and align to picture frames. Use fades for smooth transitions. Make sure to duck music under speech and normalize levels so dialogue stays clear. This avoids competition between tracks. Export a short test render and confirm metadata or attribution text is included. If problems appear, missing audio, loud artifacts, or copyright flag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.